What's going on, ladies and gents? Welcome to another video. In today's video we have, well, I'm midway, but we have put the private plate on the rear. But do you know what? I'm tempted. How good does that look without the front plate? Jeez, I cannot tell you, these cars just deserve no plate. But yeah, just look at her. How beastly does she look? I'm still thinking of a name, so if you can think of a name, drop a comment below. But mamma mia, this car is an Alfa Romeo. Doesn't that look so much better already without the plate? I would love to remove this whole area actually and have that clean front bumper look. But there are going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 nasty holes in that bumper. Just look at her. I can't stop looking at her. So, for those of you who follow me on Instagram will know that I've had a couple of brushes with the law. Probably best to stay on side this time round. So we're going to go ahead and fit the private plate, and here's a little cue time lapse. So there you have it, plate installed. Obviously these cars look so much better without a plate, but for now I think I'll run it with one. Best to be on side. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Very short video, I know. By the way, see this? This is my trusty ABARTH Mopar at your service mat. Now, I know there's a lot of ABARTH fans who watch this video, so I tell you what, I've got a few of them. Give this video a like. If you're new, smash the subscribe, and I'll be giving this to anyone who wants it. Just comment below. So there she is. Plate is on. What do you think? Without plate? With plate? I know which one I prefer. Anyways guys, as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.